Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about the Sony ZV-1. I'm filming on it today, right now. I'm using the integrated microphone. I've got the Wind Fury on top of it. And I just want to talk a little bit about the lens, because there's been a lot of whoop-de-doo about whether or not, and I'm setting up the tripod here, whether or not this lens is wide enough for vlogging. And I'm curious to hear what you guys think, because in my opinion, I think it is. Now, this little tripod that you can't see right now, if you want to see it, go check out my video on must-have accessories for the Sony ZV-1. I like it a lot because it has all the controls that I need on the front of it. So I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can turn on background defocus, I can do my photo shoot, I can do my recording of movies, whatever I want to do, all on the front without having to reach around to the back. But for me, this works because right now I'm holding it about half an arm's length away. I don't have my arm fully extended. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Is this wide enough? If I extend it all the way, there we are. And I think that's definitely wide enough. Now here's the thing, I am shooting in 1080p 60 frames per second. So if I up this to 4K, it's gonna crop in, and that might be a video test that we do again later. But for the most part, I find that I prefer to, at least for now, shoot in 1080p 60. I know you can do 4K and kind of downscale it and get better quality out of your 1080p. But I just prefer to do it this way. It's easier for rendering, takes less time and all that good stuff. And I think it's fine. But I don't know. Do you guys have your eye on the Sony ZV-1? What do you guys think about the screen? And is it, you know, or the lens, not the screen, is it wide enough? Again, about a half an arm's length away. It's windy today too, by the way. You can kind of see that as evidenced by this thing blowing in the wind. And these trees, well, maybe not the trees, you can't catch them. But let me know. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Is it wide enough for vlogging? Not that I'm going to do vlogging often, but I love the image quality that's coming out of it. I love the fact that it's got that product showcase feature, which I'll talk about in another video. If you're a YouTuber and you film a lot of products, this is a really nice camera for that. At, I think, a pretty good price point. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you have your eyes on this camera? Do you already have one? Do you think that the lens is wide enough? I'll tell you one thing I don't like about it, the battery life. It's too short, but what are you going to do about a small camera like this? So let me know in the comments down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to hear more about the Sony ZV-1, let me know as well. I'll be having a lot more videos coming soon. Thanks for staying tuned. Catch you next time.